In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money with Wise. Whether you're paying a friend abroad, settling an invoice, or moving funds to an e-wallet, I'll walk you through the key taps so you can send money confidently and avoid common mistakes. I'll also point out what you'll see on screen, and they share a few quick tips to keep everything smooth and secure. Start by opening the Wise app on your mobile device. Give it a second to load, and make sure you're on a stable internet connection so the screens update correctly. If you see a security prompt, that's simply Wise keeping your account safe. Once you're in, you'll be on the main dashboard where you can view balances and recent activity. Next, tap the Send button. This is your entry point to start a transfer. Think of it as telling Wise, I'm ready to move money. If you have multiple balances, don't worry, you're just opening the sending flow here. The app will guide you through the specifics in the next screens, and you'll be able to adjust details as needed. Now tap Add Recipient. This is where you choose who will receive the money. If you've sent to them before, Wise may suggest them automatically, otherwise, you'll add a new one. Keep an eye on the labels on this screen. They help you match the right method to the right destination so your transfer lands accurately. Select the currency for the transfer, choose the currency your recipient will receive, or the one that matches the invoice. On this screen, Wise typically shows the indicative exchange rate and estimated fees, so take a moment to confirm it looks right for your situation. If you see any notes about transfer limits or regional requirements, read them carefully before continuing. Finally, add a recipient using the option that fits best. You can find the person on Wise if they're a Wise user, which helps avoid manual typing. You can send to an e-wallet when supported in the recipient's country. You can enter bank details such as an account number or IBAN, taking care to match the recipient's legal name exactly. Or, if you're paying a bill, you can upload a screenshot or invoice so the details are attached for clarity. Always double-check numbers and spellings and only include the information necessary to complete the transfer. Never share passwords, one-time codes, or other sensitive credentials. That's it. By opening the app, tapping Send, adding your recipient, selecting the correct currency, and choosing the best recipient method, you've set up a clean, accurate path for your money to arrive where it should. Wise will guide you through any remaining on-screen prompts.